all. Welcome to the YouTube channel Quiz Parade. So today we'll be doing some important questions of current affairs February 2021, which are very important for the exams like UPSC, PSC, SSC, Bank and Railways. Do like and subscribe the channel to get an update whenever I upload a new video. So without further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. World Petrocoal Congress and World Future Fuel Summit was organized in which Indian city? Mumbai, Varanasi, New Delhi, Bengaluru. And the right answer is option C, New Delhi. The resolution plan for DHFL submitted by which company has been approved by RBI? Tata Group, Adani Group, State Bank of India, Piramal Capital and Housing Finance. And the right answer is option D, Piramal Capital and Housing Finance. Who chairs the Niti Aayog's governing council meeting? Finance Minister, Prime Minister, Niti Aayog CEO, Home Minister. And the right answer is option B, Prime Minister. Which country has recently amended its citizenship laws to attract individuals with specialized skills? India, UAE, US, Germany. And the right answer is option B, UAE. Manika Batra, who was making news recently, is associated with which sports? Cricket, table tennis, squash, tennis. And the right answer is option B, table tennis. What is Helena, which is seen in news recently? New vaccine candidate, missile system, spacecraft, Mars rover. And the right answer is option B, missile system. Which Indian company has signed an agreement with Norway's Greenstat for setting up a center of excellence on hydrogen? Hindustan Petroleum, Indian Oil, NTPC or GAIL? And the right answer is option B, Indian Oil. Karlapat Wildlife Sanctuary, which was making news recently, is located in which state? UT. West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh. And the right answer is option A, West Bengal. Which tennis player won his 9th men's single title at the Australian Open tennis tournament? Rafael Nadal, Novak Djokovic, Roger Federer and Dominic Thiem. And the right answer is Novak Djokovic. Which company has built the Indian Coast Guard's Interceptor C-453? Tata Group, GRSC, Cochin Shipyard, L&T. And the right answer is option D, L&T. Kiran Bedi has been removed as the Lieutenant Governor of which UT? New Delhi, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Jammu and Kashmir. And the right answer is option B, Puducherry. Which country is the largest funder of the World Health Organization? China, United States, Russia, United Kingdom. And the right answer is option B, United States. Which country has started developing the anti-missile Arrow 4 system with the US? Israel, France, Russia, UAE. And the right answer is option A, Israel. What is the name of the campaign launched by Government of India to boost the adoption of electric vehicles and appliances? Face Electricity for All, Go Electric, Switch to Current. And the right answer is option C, Go Electric. राष्ट्र प्रथम 82 वर्षों की स्वर्णिम गाथा, which was recently released, is a book narrating which armed force? CRPF, ITBP, Indian Coast Guard, SSB. And the right answer is option B, ITBP. Yashori Mori, who was making news recently, is the former Prime Minister of which country? Japan, China, South Korea, Vietnam. And the right answer is option A, Japan. The Union Government approved the Production Linked Incentive PLI scheme for how many sectors as of February 2021? 7, 9, 11, 13. And the right answer is option C, 11. What is the total amount of global debt at the end of 2020 as per the Institute of International Finance? USD 125 trillion, USD 281 trillion, USD 351 trillion, USD 421 trillion. And the right answer is option B, USD 281 trillion. The Agriculture Ministry has obtained approval from DGCA for use of drones for which scheme? PMFBY, PMJJBY, PMSBY, PMKSY. And the right answer is option D, PMKSY. Question number 20. What is the name of the fund set up by Government of India to complete stalled housing projects? Swayam, Swaguru, Swahim, Aham. And the right answer is option C, Swahim. So these were today's 20 important questions. Hope you have liked the session. Do share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.